In a realm where the tapestry of life was woven with the most fantastical threads, there existed a land called Yarnia. This was no ordinary place. It was a world entirely made of yarn, where the trees were tall skeins of green wool, the rivers flowed with silky threads, and the mountains stood majestic, draped in thick, woolen snow. The inhabitants of this vibrant world were the Yarnians, magical beings spun from the very fabric of their land. Each one was a unique blend of hues and textures, reflecting the diversity and beauty of their yarn-made world. They lived in cozy, knitted homes, nestled in the crocheted meadows, where the flowers bloomed in a riot of colors, each petal a soft fiber that swayed gently in the breeze. The Yarnians were a harmonious folk, deeply connected to the rhythm of their land. They spoke in soft, melodic tones, and their laughter was like the gentle rustle of tassels in the wind. Their days were spent in joyous creativity, weaving and crafting from the endless supply of materials that their world provided. Yarnia was a land of wonders. There were fields of velvet grass that cushioned the feet of those who walked upon them, and forests where the leaves were delicate lace. In the heart of Yarnia lay the glittering lake, its waters a cascade of shimmering threads that reflected the ever-changing sky in a kaleidoscope of color. The Yarnians celebrated the changing of the seasons with festivals that brought the community together. In the spring, they would gather to paint the buds with vibrant dyes, and in autumn they collected fallen leaves of golden yarn to knit warm garments for the coming winter. But Yarnia was not just a place of beauty and peace. It held its own mysteries and challenges. Sometimes the threads of their world would tangle, creating mazes in the forests that tested the Yarnians' wits and bravery. At other times, a gust of wind might unravel a part of their landscape, requiring the Yarnians to come together and knit their world back to perfection. Through it all, the Yarnians knew the importance of balance and harmony. They understood that every fiber, no matter how small, played a crucial part in the tapestry of their lives. This wisdom was woven into the very essence of their being, a shared understanding that held their community together. As night fell over Yarnia, the land glowed softly under a moon that shone like a silver button in the sky. The Yarnians would gather to share stories and songs, their voices weaving together in a melody that echoed the heartbeat of their extraordinary world. And so, in this land of yarn and magic, the Yarnians lived, a testament to the beauty of diversity and the strength of unity. Their world, ever-changing and vibrant, continued to spin stories that wrapped around the heart like the warmest of scarves, inviting all who heard them to imagine a place where life itself was a work of art.